Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Call of Duty Warzone 2 error code 0xC00005. So the first thing what you need to do here, if you're running Call of Duty Warzone 2 on Steam, you just need to locate your Steam shortcut, right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure that you basically press disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Press apply, OK, and on Steam as well, go to library, go to Call of Duty Warzone 2 Modern Warfare, right click on it, go to properties, local files, browse, and then you should open up this window, scroll down until you see code .exe, and then press properties, compatibility, and make sure you disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator, right? So then if the problem persists, then the next thing that you can do here, also again go to library, properties, and then you just need to go local files and verify integrity of the game files. Maybe you have some corrupted game files. And if the problem persists, then you need to basically disable in-game overlay. So if you're using, for example, an NVIDIA GPU, you just need to go to GeForce Experience, and then you just need to go to drivers, and not drivers, this little gear icon, and then general, and just disable this in-game overlay. And once you do that, then go on Steam, right click on it, properties on Call of Duty, and also disable this in-game overlay as well, right? And if the problem persists here, then another thing that you can do here, you need to basically set Call of Duty to a high performance. So you need to go to graphics settings here, and then go to browse, go to local disk C, program files, Steam, program files, x86, Steam, and then as you can see here, Steam apps, and then you need to go common, Call of Duty HQ, and then you just need to add this code .exe, and after you do that, then click on it, go to options and set up to high performance, right? And the next thing that you can do here, you can update your GPU drivers, and you can update your operating system drivers. So first of all, go on device manager, go to display adapters and update driver here, right? And search if there is no updates, you're good to go. And if there is, please install it. And if you're using, for example, NVIDIA GPU, then you just need to go to GeForce Experience, and you just need to go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is a drivers, just download it, install it, and restart your computer. If you're using AMD Radeon, through AMD Radeon app, also you can do the same, right? And after that, you need to update your operating system. So on search, just write check for updates, and here you need to wait for a few seconds until it loads up, then press check for updates, and if there is some updates, please download it and install it, then restart your computer. And if the problem persists, then another solution for you is to go to Windows Defender firewall, right? And then basically press this button, turn on or off, and basically turn off Defender firewall, and also turn off public network settings here, private and public, turn off, and press OK. And that's basically all these options should basically solve your problem, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.